Hey, so sorry for looking like a shit. I woke up a while ago because of the delivery man calling me to tell that the albums are here. And I just collected them and I'm going to open it live on camera. So I'm going to switch to the other cam. Okay, so here is this magnificence. I didn't open it yet, so it's completely closed. You're gonna see me struggle with scissors here. And yes, I am on my bed.
I'm pro. I'm so pro. At this shit. Swear to God. Do it every day.
Okay, it's open. Oh, look at it. I'm so scared. So I ordered random because on Gmarket they only have like random choice. So I literally don't know what I got here. I have no freaking idea. It's the scariest to buy shit when you don't know what's waiting for you inside. They're backwards, so I don't see which ones it is. I think I want to check them. This first.
Okay, let's see. By the way, it's not easy to hold your phone with one hand and do this shit with the other one. Okay.
Oh my god. What the hell? This looks like there are like 30 freaking thingies in there.
Okay, wait, I'm going to lay this like that. Best angle ever. No, that's definitely on. Oh my fucking god, someone is getting a lay poster. I think that's right. I can't really tell from there. Is it the O or lay? Small. I can't tell like that.
So I can't see because it's upside down. I don't know. This is one poster. And this is the other one. I don't know if you can even see it. Sorry. They are fucking huge.
And we didn't get any that I want. So that's fun. Does that mean I got the O and Suho as my albums? I'm dying. I'm seriously dying over here. Come on. So I'm going to edit this. Okay. Done with this shit. I don't know how much you saw actually.
But that's your problem already. Okay. Okay, let's start from the K one. Let's see if it's the same as the posters, first of all, okay? Yeah. Oh, is that Suho? Yeah, it's Suho. And it literally is the same as the poster. Okay, that should calm some people down, I think. So this one should be Dio. Oh, I was right. Okay, well, let's start from Dio.
Trusty scissors. Come here and help me open the O up. Oh god, that sounded really bad. Okay.
Okay, so after struggles, I finally opened it. So it's the CD right over here. Exodus. And then Dio in the opening. I got a Sehun card. 아 진짜. Wow, I have 할인 coupon. Okay, and wait. It's literally all Dio. That's cool. And Sehun. ugly Sehun. Just kidding. The other side. 끝까지 함께 가요. Okay, this is one. Moving to the Suho one. After more struggles, that's the EXO K Suho album. I'm so scared that someone will enter. Okay, so this is the CD. Wait, what? No! What? Oh, okay. Oh my god! I got Chanyeol! At least I got you! Jesus Christ, okay. Suho. I'm so mad. Okay, I like it, but I'm like mad because god damn it. Okay, and final shot of the two. Let's do it like this. I am definitely going to buy more albums when I have more time. I mean more money, more time. Yeah, that's it.